Let's begin unboxing. So if you open the box, you will get the user manual, warranty card, and then a strap to paste it on the front glass of the car, and then you will get the dash cam. So dash cam made of ABS plastic, and it has the strap in the bottom, and the camera is also having the cover. Here it is mentioned a dash cam, and the model is G9, and this is Alpha. It's a very durable material it is made of, and you can just tilt it off. In the bottom you have mic and IR receiver, and you have indication light, the speaker, and left side you have a charging port and memory card adapter and a power button. This charging adapter which is given, it is having a very lengthy cable. You don't have to worry about connecting it in the invisible place. Adapter to charge it in a car. So this has a very high power, and if you check the weight for the portability, it weighs only 71 gram, so it's very highly portable. Let's go and test it in the car. So before that, you have to connect with your mobile, so you have to scan the QR code given in your user manual, and then you will be opening that the application. So the application either from a Play Store or App Store, it is video. After you open the application, you will just have to put all the required details. This is how the night vision it looks like. It has a very good quality during the night, which is parked at the garage, and this is the footage in the daytime. It's have a very high quality, and all will be recorded in a 128 GB memory card, which maximum it supposed. This is the evening time live footage from a dash cam. So it is very sturdy, you don't have to fear about falling down. So this is where you need to just paste. So with the strap which is given, and wiring also, you can just make it invisible, and that also it has been clearly given in a user manual where you have to go and connect with your charger. So now you can see it's well attached. Thank you for watching.